Double doors. Rear doors closing. It sounds like the Juice Grove voice when it says rear doors closing, but it isn't. Right, there's going to be a Samsung voice which I've never heard before in the lift or anywhere really. It's going to say Samsung, which is really weird. I'm going to talk over it so no one can copy it, because people like to copy stuff. Copy. There we go, Samsung. Is it mezzanine level and yard level? There's two lifts here, as you can probably tell. There's a level there, it's quite close. Oh, it's just glass, I can't actually tell. Mezzanine level.
Rear doors opening. Mezzanine level.
Now the rear doors opening is Juice Grove.
Down. Rear doors closing.
Yeah, that's Juice Grove. But the rest of it is some depressed voice. Why it opens on both sides. Fucking hell, that sounds worrying.
Doors opening.
Rear doors opening. Yeah, that's weird.
Going up. Doors closing. Rear
Doors
doors
closing.
Doors opening.
Yes, that's weird. Right, and that's it. I don't know where this is. I think it's that yard. No, it's not called yard. Viaduct yard, whatever it's called. I don't know, that's it.